Hi everyone! Have you ever waited all season to harvest a vegetable and it seems like it's taking forever to be ready? Well, I'm right there with you. Sometimes waiting is the hardest part of gardening. And today I'm so excited because I finally have some tomatillos ready to harvest. Been waiting all summer and I'm dying to make some of that wonderful garden fresh Salsa Verde. So today I'm going to bring you along with me and share with you how to know when tomatillos are ready to harvest and then how to harvest them. So let's go check out the plant. I have my tomatillos growing in the hillside portion of our garden. They're growing there in those two wooden tomato towers. They're a cousin to the tomato. They're a vining plant, so they do grow quite large. You're going to need some support for them if you're growing them. They're a warm weather vegetable, love temperatures over 75 degrees. And here in Southern California, because it's still quite hot here in October, they're growing very, very well, but they've been a little bit slow to harvest. We've had birds, we've had chipmunks, we've had extreme heat. So today's the day. Let's go in for a closer look. Hi, Mac. Good boy, Mac. Mac's been faithfully chasing away the birds and the squirrels so I get a good tomatillo harvest. Well, tomatillos, unlike their tomato cousins, are not self-pollinating. So you do need two plants for the best chance of getting a good harvest. So here in this 8-foot wooden tower, I have a purple tomatillo, and I also have a green one right next to it in a shorter tower there. Now, I got these towers at a local garden center called Topanga Nursery. So if you live in the Southern California area, look them up and you can go head over there and pick one up if you like it. They actually grow in these papery husks. And this little papery husk is not ready. You can tell when they're ready when you squeeze them and the tomatillo inside pretty much fills out the husk. So if your tomatillo husks look like this, they wrinkle a lot when you squeeze them, they're not ready. But this plant is absolutely loaded down. There's plenty that are ripe. So let me show you what a ripe one looks like. You'll know your tomatillos are ready to harvest when they start to fill their husks out and then slightly start to split their husks. So you can see on here, this one is changing to a slight purple color, and this is a purple tomatillo, splitting its husk, and there's plenty in here that are ready to harvest. Well, tomatillos are very easy to harvest when they're ready. They pull very easily right from the plant, or you can use scissors if you like. And these smell absolutely amazing. They're definitely more acidic than tomatoes, slightly spicy, have a little bit of maybe a citrusy type of flavor, but the smell, the aroma is absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and get some of these harvested, and then we'll talk about what I'm gonna make out of them. Now, unlike tomatoes that tend to be a little bit soft when you harvest them, tomatillos are quite firm, and you do want to harvest them before they change to a yellow color, because that means they're left on the plant too long and then the flavor won't be quite as good. Because my tomatillo plant has so many leaves and so many branches, I'm going to lift up and really dig down into the center of the plant to find all the ripe ones. So here's one that was hiding in the middle. And this is maybe a bouncy ball size tomatillo. Ideally, you want them to be about the size of golf balls. But since the skin is splitting, I'm definitely going to go ahead and harvest it. But there are some down at the bottom of the plant. They're a little bit larger. Different factors can definitely affect the size of the tomatillos. The main thing this summer for us has been the heat. Since August, we've had heat wave after heat wave, and we're having another one right now. So we've got some small ones, but we've also got some really nice size ones, like this beautiful purple one. This has completely changed colors and is absolutely gorgeous. Splitting right out of the husk, as you can tell. And look at that beautiful, absolutely lovely color. And let me just compare it to some of the other ones I just harvested. See how much larger it is? Nature is just so amazing. These both came from the same plant, but yet they're so unique and so different. Now I'm noticing as I'm harvesting, there's a ton of new flowers and teeny tiny tomatillos coming on. So similar to some of their tomato cousins, tomatillos are an indeterminate plant, which means that they will keep on producing tomatillos until frost. Some plants will even take a light frost. So we could get some brand new tomatillos throughout the winter here in Southern California. You can store tomatillos on the countertop. They'll keep for about a week or so. Just leave the paper husks on and don't wash them until you're ready to use them. or you can store them in the refrigerator where they'll last 2 to 3 weeks stored in a paper bag. Well, I couldn't be more thrilled with my basket of tomatillos today. I have been waiting all summer to harvest these, especially these beautiful purple ones are just so pretty. I just can't believe that I grew these in my own backyard, and this should be enough for a good recipe of Salsa Verde. And here's where I need your help though. I am looking for a tried and true, quick and simple Salsa Verde recipe where the tomatillos are grilled. I think it just adds so much flavor to the food. So if you have a Salsa Verde recipe that you absolutely love, please comment below and share it with me. And you never know, I just might make it on a future video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me in the garden today for my tomatillo harvest. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit the bell notification so you don't miss a single upload. And also check out my seed shop at CaliKimGardenHome.com. There's 20 seed collections there to help you grow more vegetables. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.